Welcome. We are solving question from GATE 2021. This question was asked in electrical. So this is the network which is given. We have to calculate equivalent Thevenin voltage and Thevenin impedance across these terminals AB. So first we will calculate VTH. So let this voltage be VTH. So this is open terminal, so obviously this current is 0. So this I equal to 0. So let this current be, and this current was given as I1. This current was given as I1. So this current will be equal to I1. I1 will be equal to 5 ampere because this current is 0. So this current will be flowing here. So I1 will be equal to 5 ampere. So if we have to calculate VTH, then VTH will be equal to 3I1 plus 10I1. So this is a current dependent voltage source. This is a current dependent voltage source. It is dependent on this current I1. So VTH will be equal to 13I1 and I1 will be equal to 5 ampere. So VTH is equal to 65 volt. So we have calculated the Thevenin voltage. It is equal to 65 volt. Now we will calculate Thevenin resistance. So for calculating Thevenin resistance, we have to remove all the independent sources. So this is the current source. So we will open it. And apply a VDC here and assume that IDC current is flowing through here. So what we did was we removed the current source and applied a DC voltage here and assumed that a DC current is flowing like this. So now this is the figure. So if we now calculate the value of VDC, so I1 is equal to now IDC. So VDC will be equal to 2 IDC plus 3 I1 plus 10 I1. And I1 is nothing but I1 is equal to IDC because this IDC current is flowing here. So this current will be 0. This current will be 0. So this IDC current will be flowing through this branch. So IDC is equal to I1. So VDC equal to 2 IDC plus 13 I1, so 15 IDC. So it means VDC upon IDC is equal to 15. And the ratio of VDC upon IDC is nothing but Thevenin resistance. VDC upon IDC. The ratio of VDC upon IDC is equal to Thevenin resistance. VDC upon IDC is equal to RTH. Because this resistance is obtained by removing all the independent sources. So this was the independent current source. So we opened it. If suppose there was a voltage source, then we would have shorted the terminals. But this was a current source, so we opened the terminals. So this current is 0. So this I1 is equal to IDC. So we have got VTH equal to 65 volt and RTH equal to 15 ohm. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. VTH is equal to 65 volt and RTH equal to 15 ohm. Thank you Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please share your feedback also in the comment box.